So let me start the next topic. I hope so you have to solve the questions from your books or any other sources. If you not have any books, so no problems. It's lockdown periods, so you can use the net and find the questions to solve the different types of questions. So next we take the topic that are terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. In very first class I will explain कि what is real number. तो real number explain कि rational irrational. Rational number, that is a terminating or non-terminating repeating. So you can say rational number, and the number which are non-terminating, non-repeating is called irrational number. So same topics we have to take the here, but we explain how we define that the number are terminating or non-terminating. So we write terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. First we discuss about the terminating decimals. So terminating नहीं हो, non-terminating तो होना ही होना है. So prime fraction of the denominator of the rational number in standard form. Why we write the standard form here? If you write 6 upon 10, to you it's not a standard form. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. 3 upon 5 is the standard form of the rational number. So if the prime fraction of the denominator of the rational number is only in this form, 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, so you can say this is the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. How? Let's see. Suppose the 13 upon 3125. So we only find the 3125, that is the denominator, prime factor. So 3125, 5, 625, 5 125, 5 25, 5 5. अब ऐसे फाइंड कर लेंगे. So 5 1 2 3 4 5. 5 to the power 5. So the denominator have only 5. Sirf 5. So it is terminating? Yes. We can also write 2 to the power 0. So if the denominator have only 2, only 5, only 2 and 5, so it is terminating. So in this prime factor only 5, so that is terminating decimal. Okay, same 8 to the power 3, only 2, that is terminating decimal. Here 1600 we can write to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. So 2 and 5 both, only 2 and 5, so it is decimal. Here 700 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 into 7. So 2 and 5 both are included here, but with the 7 we only write only word. If only 2 and 5, so it is terminating, but it is not only 2 and 5, so it is non-terminating decimal. So we can write, if this is not, means prime factor of the denominator is not only in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, so it is non-terminating decimal. Okay, let's check this. Here 7 upon 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 is already in prime factorization form, and prime factorization denominator have 3, so it is non-terminating decimal. Okay, it's clear. One more example here. Here 12 upon 2 to the power 2, 3 into 3 into 5 to the power 3. So repeat, the denominator of the given number is already in prime factorization form, but if you see here, it is 2 and 5 both with 3. So it is terminating or non-terminating? Terminating or non-time eating. If you say non-time eating, so this is wrong. You say, sir, why wrong? You say other than 2 and 5, so it is non-time eating. But it is here 3. So why you say non-time eating? You say time eating. Why? So we write the standard form. It can be simplified. We can 3, 4, 4 cancel. We only get 1 upon 5 to power 3. 1 upon 5 power 3 means terminating decimal. Clear? It is clear कि how we identify the terminating or non-terminating. Then other question, suppose that without actual division, convert it into decimal expansion if they are terminating, because non-terminating is not expressed in the decimal form, expressed in decimal form in the bar form, but if it's terminating, so you can express in decimal form. So we can take the example. Here, first we take this example. Okay, 15 upon 1600. You can write 15 upon 2 की power 6 into 5 की power 2. You can say it is terminating. It is terminating because it is only in the form. You can write here. It is in the denominator of the fraction. Denominator of the rational number is only in the form of 2 की power m into 5 की power n. So it is terminating. What you write? These both are non-terminating. We have no use here. So we can have this. You can write denominator of rational number is only 2 की power m into 5 की power n form. So it is terminating decimal. So you want to express in decimal form. So decimal form, how express? So without actual division. Without actual division, we can express in decimal form. First thing, in denominator, we want the number of 2 is equal to number of 5. Means जितने 2 उतने ही 5. Here, number of 2 is 6. 6 times multiplied. 2 is multiplied by 6 times. And 5 is multiplied by only 2 times. So both are not equal. So firstly we equal them both 2 and 5. How? Five is 4 less than 2. So we multiply by 5 की power 4 upon 5 की power 4. You know that if we can any number add to both sides, subtract to both sides, multiply to both sides, divide to both sides, numerator and denominator, so the value of the expression does not change. So that means if we write x y plus a, same, x minus a, y minus a, same. If x equal to y, x into a, y into a, x upon a, y upon a, the value of all the expressions are same, but same number multiply and same number divide. Then what you get here? Upper 15 into numerator can be solved. 5 की power 4 means 625. And here 2 the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. You know that 50 into 625. Multiply them. So 3125 into 3. 3125 into 3 means 7539. 9375 upon, 1, 2 and 1, 5 make 10. 2, 2, 2, 5 make 100. So 6, 2, 6, 5 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 9375. 60 में decimal put in 6th place. From the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write 0.009375 is a decimal expansion of 15 upon 1600. It also can be simplified. यहाँ सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते थे हम. Okay. Take one more example. Here, same. 17 upon 2 to the power 3. Submitting, because only 2 here, so it is submitting decimal. We want to express decimal expansion form. 17 upon 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Because we want the number of 2 and number of 5 in same in denominator. So, we multiply by 5 to the power 3 to numerator as well as denominator. So, here 17 into 125 upon 1000. So, 85, 8, 2, 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 2.125 is the decimal expansion of 17 upon 8. Is clear? This is the process how we identify that the given expression, the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating. And also we can express the terminating decimals in decimal form without actual division. Okay? Pause the video and note down.